Good morning, everyone. In this crock pot, I have some vegetables, a whole bag actually, about 4 chicken thighs, a pat of butter, and now I'm gonna add some spices. Now that it has been simmering a little bit, I'm gonna leave it on low. I had it on high to begin with. I'm gonna leave it on low so that I can get all the flavors to cook into my meat. Magic is into my meat. So I have some garlic powder going in here. I'm not sure if I'm going to put some pasta with this or not. I'm not sure if I'm going to have a house visitor. Now, how do they expect me to get onion out of there? So I don't know yet if this is going to be cooked over pasta or anything. I don't believe so. I believe I wouldn't mind this in a bowl just by itself. So I'm gonna take that like that and just make sure I get the seasonings in there. Just, inside of the liquids, and let that cook down. It is about maybe 5 a.m. and I need a nap. I have been on a journey since waking up. I need another nap. As you know, life is changing for me, so I shall return in a few. Mm. Oh, this chicken is just falling apart. Mm. I won't be buying chicken breast anymore. That meat is too hard for me to eat. I can't function. I can't really function with that. This thigh. Oof. I'm gonna try it now. Although this is not ready to eat. It's not din time. I'm actually having fried chicken soon. I'm actually frying some chicken. I know what I didn't do, and I'm gonna have to do that in a minute. Ooh. Mm, mm. I know I was so eager to get those frozen organic vegetables. I wanted them so bad. Mm, mm, mm. This is definitely cooked to perfection. I don't even have to do anything else to this, but it is definitely too hot for me to eat. Mm, this is delicious. Mm, mm. Oh, I am so tired. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, wow. Mm, mm. I love it. Oh, I'm gonna have to get myself some energy because my fried chicken is gonna has to be good. Has to be good. Mmm. 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 Mm. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I am so happy watching. I am so happy reading the comments that people are leaving about my small frugal meals, especially when someone gives me an idea that I should try. It is it's just filled with blessings. I am just so happy. And although I'm suffering with exhaustion, as you might have known, I just got out of my bed. I was asleep for about 5 hours, but what I'd like to do in the morning time as early as possible is to take my shower, start my day off, and do what I got to do. But I've been, getting up every little bit and going to sleep because I've been suffering from exhaustion. And right now, what I want to do is do a little bit more of my workout. Yesterday, I did chair aerobics, chair Yesterday, I did chair yoga. It doesn't do much for physical that I noticed, but it does do. It took me through a level of feeling like my mind was having sex. I'm not gonna lie, y'all already know I'm crazy anyway, but it felt like my brain was having sex, not my body, because I was feeling extremely good. But I'm gonna do today as well because I'm doing a 28-day challenge. I do know I'm doing my machine and then I'm doing some things on my bed and stuff like that, but it is what it is. I shall. Oh gosh, I shall return. But what is that record?